Welcome to a new video, everybody. Today I wanted to talk to you a little bit more about carbon buildup and what you can do to help prevent it in your engine. Let's go ahead and take a look. In my video where I installed the oil catch can, I talked just a little bit about carbon buildup and how to prevent it with the catch can, but we want to go a step further than that and clean out any deposits or buildup that may already be in the engine or in other parts of the engine like fuel injectors. So I went ahead and I picked up some of this Lucas Deep Clean Fuel System Cleaner. You basically want to make sure that you're almost out of gas. I've got maybe like an eighth of a tank right now. You want to go ahead and empty the entire bottle in there. This size bottle, I believe, yeah, this will treat up to 15 gallons. So you're going to put this in, fill up your gas tank all the way, and then let it just work its course all the way through the engine, and it will do its job for you. Now, not only is this going to help eliminate those carbon deposits, but in doing that, it's going to help your engine run smoother, which is going to increase your fuel economy, which means more MPGs. This is also going to help prevent something that's quite common that happens to these GDI or gasoline direct injection engines if you don't take care of them properly, and that's something called rod knock. It's actually kind of a joke in the Kia and Hyundai community that's the knock of death, because that means your engine is getting ready to go. You don't want to do this with every tank of gas, just about every 3,000 or 4,000 miles. So about every time that you go and get your oil changed, you want to go ahead and pick up one of these bottles and use it. And it's just that easy to help keep your engine running clean. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and checking out the video. If you have any questions about the fuel system cleaner, let me know in the comments down below. I'll also be leaving a link in the description below if you want to pick up some of this for your car. Again, thank you so much for stopping by and checking out the video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Check out another video on the channel, and I hope to see you in my next one.